this with your pasta dish at home. All I'm using is 1 ball of classic original feel-good dough. You can find that in the frozen section of your local grocer. It's one of the most popular flavors because it's the most versatile. So my first step is to thaw my dough and get it to room temperature. That way it's easy to work with. I've already got mine thawed here. Next, I'm going to stretch it into a rectangle. This is going to ensure I'm going to cut my knots evenly before I fold them. That way the baking times on them all are even. A thick rectangle works fine. Now I'm going to cut them into equal parts. Usually I like to go, at least 12 to 16. You can do them however thick or thin that you want them to. Just keep in mind that the baking times are going to change however you do those. Just cut them as evenly as possible. Here we go. Now these are really easy to shape. So I'm going to show you really quick and for a first view and then go fast forward to get through all of the rest of them. So you're going to stretch it really gently and just tie it like you're tying your shoes. We have this knot here. We're just going to place it on our baking tray and tie all of the rest of them in knots. Ready. I do like to keep them spaced because I like to let my knots rise. I'll make my knots a little bit puffier. If you want yours to rise, leave them in a warm place. Keep them covered to keep them moist for about an hour. And then after that, we're going to bake them 425 for 8 to 10 minutes. All right, everyone. Now that my garlic knots are out of the oven, it is time to add the garlic, the butter, and the Parmesan. I start with the garlic. I have it minced ahead of time, that way I can just scoop a little bit on each. Alright, next is the butter. I like to use just a little bit on each. Drizzle across. Butter is going to make sure that the Parmesan, which is next, is going to stick. I'm going to go ahead and scoop on Parmesan. Okay, and that's it. So what you can do is you can make these in a foil pan and take them wherever your destination is. You can leave them on a pan like this. Pick them up, enjoy them if you want to, and you can also refrigerate them for another day. You'll be able to reheat them in the oven on 350 for just a few minutes to make everything warm again. Enjoy!